Today, we're taking a closer look at the Smooth Spine Triple Fusion Massager and answering a question many people are asking online. Is it legit, or is it just another overhyped product? This device has been heavily promoted on social media, especially through ads that target people dealing with sciatica, lower back pain, herniated discs, stiffness, and daily discomfort. According to the website, Smooth Spine uses something called triple fusion technology and promises noticeable relief in just 15 minutes a day. They also claim it can help rehydrate and restore spinal discs naturally, which is a very bold statement, especially for anyone who has dealt with chronic back issues for years. The pricing is also designed to catch attention, showing a big discount from nearly $300 down to about $120. Before we continue, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, starting with some positive signs, the Smooth Spine website itself is not brand new. The domain was registered back in September 2019, which means it has been around for roughly 6 years. That's generally a better sign than a website that appeared only a few months ago with zero history. There are also many user reviews available online, and some of them are genuinely positive. Several users say the device makes their lower back feel better, helps reduce stiffness, and provides a relaxing, pain-free feeling when used once or twice daily. Some people mention that the combination of massage, heat, and TENS-style stimulation feels soothing and works well when sitting in a recliner. Others say it helped them feel more comfortable than after physical therapy sessions, and a few users even mention improvement in sciatica-related discomfort over time. However, when you dig deeper into real customer experiences, a number of serious concerns start to show up. One of the biggest complaints is the checkout process itself. Many users describe being forced to watch long promotional videos, sometimes lasting 30 to 45 minutes, just to complete a purchase. These videos aggressively push upgrades, supplements, diet plans, and community memberships, making it difficult to simply buy the massager and leave. Some customers also warn that once card details are entered, backing out of the process can be confusing and stressful, with fears of double charges. Unexpected subscriptions are another major issue. Several reviewers report being signed up for monthly supplement or pain patch subscriptions without clearly agreeing to them. These recurring charges can be around $60 to $70 per month, and many people only notice after seeing the charge on their bank statement. Shipping is also a frequent complaint. Even customers who paid extra for expedited delivery say their order took more than 3 weeks to arrive, which doesn't match the promises made during checkout. Customer service appears to be one of the weakest points. Some users say they called dozens of times without reaching anyone, while others waited days or weeks for email responses. There are also reports of people receiving the wrong product and then being told their support tickets would be closed, even after providing photos and detailed explanations. Refunds seem especially difficult. Despite advertising a 90-day money-back guarantee, some customers were offered only partial refunds or store credit. Many had to pay expensive return shipping, insure the package, and provide tracking details, which made the process frustrating and costly. As for results, they clearly vary. While some users say the device helps relieve their lower back pain and sciatica, others report no improvement at all, even after using it twice daily for over a week. This suggests that Smooth Spine may provide comfort for some people, but it is far from a guaranteed solution, especially for serious spinal conditions like compressed or herniated discs. So, is the Smooth Spine Triple Fusion Massager legit or a scam? It doesn't appear to be a fake product, since real customers do receive it and some are satisfied. However, the aggressive sales tactics, unclear subscriptions, slow shipping, refund difficulties, and poor customer support are strong red flags. If you're considering a device like this, it may be safer to look for similar products on trusted platforms with transparent pricing and easy returns. Always remember, no massager can replace proper medical advice, especially when it comes to chronic back pain or spinal conditions.